Hey folks, how you doing today? Welcome back to Bob's Bottom Shelf, where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. Today I'm going to show you how to make another dessert cocktail, the Churro Martini. The last dessert cocktail we made, it was the Tiramisu Martini, and you can click that episode up in the corner if you haven't seen it yet. So a churro, you probably know what it is. It's like a cinnamon sugar type of pastry. It's a popular Mexican dessert, and apparently they're very difficult to find out in the wild. I searched the frozen food section, I couldn't find any. Apparently it's just something you're supposed to bake fresh whenever you want to eat them. I'm not a baker, I'm not going to be baking any churros today, but I can show you how to make this cinnamon infused vodka, which we're going to be using for our Churro Martini today. Making this homemade will save you like $40 from buying some extravagant cinnamon infused vodka that you really only wanted to make one cocktail with. Instead, you can just buy some regular Smirnoff vodka here, and then you can acquire 2 cinnamon sticks in whichever way you see fit to do so. You can use a funnel to pour the vodka into a bottle like this. Drop the 2 cinnamon sticks into the bottle. Then allow it to infuse for about a minimum of 24 hours. This is what your cinnamon vodka is going to look like after about 24 hours. There's a slightly brownish tint from the cinnamon infusion. Then you can attempt to take the cinnamon sticks out somehow. Well, I tried to get them out, but I don't think they're gonna come out. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started with our cinnamon vodka here and make our Churro Martini. We're gonna start out with 2 ounces of cinnamon vodka. One, 2. Next, we're going to do 1 ounce of Irish cream. This is Ryan's. This is our substitute for Bailey's. There's no need to spend $30 for a bottle of Bailey's. You can get this Ryan's for about, I think, 18 or 20 bucks. Even that's a little expensive, but all Irish liqueur or Irish cream liqueur is going to be a little bit expensive because it has the Irish whiskey in it. Next, we're going to do 1 ounce of our triple sec orange liqueur. No need to have Cointreau or Grand Marnier or anything like that. Our fancy Classica grocery store brand will do just fine. And then we'll use 1 ounce of cream or half and half milk, whatever you have around. This is half and half. So before we shake this up, we're gonna take our glass and we're gonna do a cinnamon sugar garnish. Yes, rim garnish. Get some sugar here, do the cinnamon. Let's pour out our Churro Martini. All right, folks, Churro Martini. Cheers. Well, this is quite a suitable dessert cocktail. has some very strong cinnamon notes, and it's not overly cloyingly sweet or anything. I was a little bit questioning the orange liqueur, because you don't use orange to make churros as far as I know, but it goes good in the cocktail here. The Ryan's Irish Cream certainly pairs well with, well, goes well with everything. Like I said, it's a very enjoyable dessert cocktail. Definitely recommended. If I had a rating system, I'd give it 4 out of 5 flaming coconuts. Alright folks, well that's going to just about do it for today's episode of Bob's Bottom Shelf. Let me know in the comments what your favorite martini is, and let me know if you happen to make this Churro Martini here. And subscribe for more episodes where you save money making cocktails at home using top of the bottom shelf ingredients. See you next time.